DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know one time it is the dance back in the lobby. You see me, I say, nada banger, nada. Your reaction on that banger pound the top. Today we got none of that. The 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boss. You see me? Yeah, we don't have none of the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boss. You see me, I say, yeah, we don't have none of that. Swanny done. Yeah, man, the one name Believe. We check it out and see what I got deal with. Painting link up with Major 7. And show his Major 7 is link up and they make this song Believe. Prince Swanny been on his role, man. Been on the, you know, been back active. He dropped his new video the other day. What's the name of the new video he dropped the other day, man? Fuck, I'm trying to blank right now. The new video reacted to it though. You see me? So it look like he's back at it again with another video. The one named Believe. We're gonna check it out and see what I got deal with. We're not gonna hold up the vibe much, and you don't know crazy reaction and crazy bangers pound head tap, you know. You don't know what time it is on the Dan Night Lab, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Before jumping on track, road to 10K. We're only 2,500 away, man. Make that happen, gang. We're trying to get it before the end of the year. You see me? Active. Anyway, we got Prince Swanny. They want to name Believe, gang. Let's get it. Guns like a blood cleat, you know. Directed by Josiah Persada. Who you dog? Big up yourself. Vast Production again. Vast Production does the TJ Massacre video. What these niggas at, bro? Swanny in Georgia too? I don't know. Alright.
Money. Enough time when I know some watch. 5th gen when me roll up on my lap. Enough pigs pretty used for the box. That's why me I roll like my mother.
Enough bricks to look for the roll in the back. That's why I climb roll like my mother, alright?
Here where we have. Grew up in the ghetto so we know so we bad. Out of the streets so we in a Louis Vuitton. Get a youth to buy him one.
Out of the streets now we in a Louis Vuitton. Come in.
Just believe that. Living my life over the media. Enough times them a take man feed ya.
Yeah.
We don't know why them cancel the visa. Ice man.
Oh, but I'm saying leave your life off of media, then take man feed and cancel your visa, brother. And cancel Prince on the visa. Yeah.
Like the freezer. Check my lungs back full up as sativa. Dog any girl when me pre no mean that. Life over get to youth man I believe her.
And say yo, no, never know any girl in pre in that, you know. Yeah, you know if you say 41 in pre that him go in that belly.
Life in the ghetto, never seen so amazed but me still a let go. Gunshot every day, could I hear the echo? But my mind killers them no slip up, drilling a rubber slippers. So my dance so them very vicious. If them
man saying drilling a rubber slippers to blood come in.
It's about the line, so me sure get pick up. Every youth them have a time, teach them fi don't give up. Dip on the hills, so me send the message. Active. You know the youths them got skills. Big bad brother at home, you know same got me. Travel with Jake.
Active, you don't know what time it is. You have to stay active out here, no brother. To you. Come like I'm on TJ the policy. Alright, go on.
In the taxi, I'm from small, me roll with couple killers like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So much hands what I lash me. In the songs, me know them ever had the best athletes. The best voice, know what that means. Yeah, just believe that. Living my life over the media. Enough times them I take man feed that.
One Prince Swanny. Hey, this a vibe, bro. Visuals are always crazy too, man.
Them cancel the visa. Ice my neck like the freezer. Check my lungs back full up as sativa. Dog any girl.
Ice me neck like the freezer. I'm telling you.
Free no mean that. Life over get to youth man I believe her. Dark times so me not fi drink. Enough times when I fi know what me have to think. So much things happen in life but me no question it. But anytime me a roll me keep a extra clip. Because they get to it real. So real. Man we kill you for your things.
That's a fact, man. That's a fact. Come on.
Believe. Sometimes I can't believe. It's like a comedy. Why they want bother me? Like them want my drama thing.
Man says sometimes you can't believe like a comedy. You like they want you.
It's like a comedy. Why they want bother me? Like them want my drama thing. Oh, that they get to kind of deal up with the politics. Every day defense and pass and bring my family.
Out there get can't do the politics thing, man. Every time feds them up with my family and them thing they die. That's why I've cut out.
So much brothers my last still know me can't believe. Family stack the money tall like the rifle beside my G. Just believe that. Living my life over the media. Enough times them I take man feed yet. Me no know
Bala. Tune Swandan. Come in.
why them cancel the visa. Ice man, like the freezer. Check my lungs back full up of sativa. Dog any girl when me pre know me in that. Life of a ghetto youth man, I believe her.
And the girl know me pre me in that in the life of a ghetto youth. You have to be a believer to make it out, you know. You have to be a true believer, not a new believer, man. Yeah, man. Right, playing on the media. You idiot. Like the freezer. Blood, then cancel Prince Swanny visa, dog. Why don't you do that to Swandan? Eh? Why don't you do that? Jesus. That's diva. Read that. Good believer. Easy. Yes. Swandan. Yeah, man. That is it. Swandan. Major 7, believe. As the man said, big up Major 7, big up Swandan. Yeah, on the name Believe. As the man said, Swandan keep doing his thing, bro. Keep making these hits and these bangers. And these visuals Swandan be having, bro, be crazy. You see me? The production behind this thing is crazy. Big up Vast Production, bro. You see me? You pop up out here, but since you pop up, we've been putting in great work. I see you did video for Massacre TJ. You see me? I say, and a Chronicler. You see me now, Prince Swanny. Like, yeah, I'm not sure. Let me know who Vast Production is. I think it's American, like, production company. I don't think they're in like the dancehall space or in Jamaica, but I think they're in America and they probably do fly rapper, but they link up and they might put in some work, man. And the visuals is crazy. So let me know, gang. Only thing about the one if you like, you can show the artist only one support, make you know say I did dancing, you know. Also, let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, gang. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Also, drop your request so you can get your shout out. You don't know what time it is. You see me and say, we'll get that done for you. Road to 10K. We're only 2,500 away from 10K, gang. I appreciate y'all. It's been a long time coming. Let's see if we can deal with this before the New Year's, man. It would be great if we get it before Christmas, before New Year's, before my birthday, man. It would be a great gift from y'all to me. You see me what I say? That'll be a great gift. So I appreciate y'all, man. Hit the like and subscribe button. Help your boy out. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Let me know what your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's chop it up, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a dialogue going. I'm always in the comment section. So if y'all want to talk to me, rock with your boy, all that good stuff, you can always, catch me in the comment section after a video drops. You see me what I say? Yeah, just keep dropping requests so you can get your shout out, all that good stuff. We're going strong. You see me what I say? We ain't stopping. You see me? I keep doing thing, gang. You see me what I say? Till next time. You don't know what time it is. The code is live. Do the right thing, like me say. Hit like and subscribe, and we're growing strong. Yeah, Prince Swanny did a great job. Dope track. Let me know what y'all think, man. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.